What's up, Views on Tuesday? Am I the only one that uses preferred parking at Lowe's or other spots? Sometimes parking over there just ain't that ain't the move. So yeah, so I normally do preferred parking. At the right out front of the loading zone, because I am loading something. I am gonna put it in my tool pack. I'll put my mask on while I come into Lowe's. Hey, all right, how you doing, ladies? Yeah, so hopefully you guys are doing great. Hopefully you guys have been checking out my views on two videos. We're trying to put some good content out there so you guys will like it. This is where I'm at. This must be the road that I'm on. Let's see. One of my guest bathroom need a valve fill kit. Let's see. I don't know. So while I deliberate for a minute, y'all excuse me. I'll be right back. So just a quick run. How many? Let me ask this question. How many of you guys ride your motorcycle more than you drive your vehicle? Which I actually sold my truck a couple weeks ago. I'll do a video on that because I wasn't driving. I ride all the time, everywhere. So, and all these registers, and they got number 9 open. We have 2, 8 through 1. Sucks. I have to get this thing fixed today because there was a mandate put out on me when you get that toilet fixed. So if I have to get it fixed today, then I'll probably still wait because I'm a patient person. Conveniently here at Filton. I think I need a filter for the house too, but I can't remember which one I need. Oh well, I guess I'll just have to ride back to the store to get it. Hey, Kenyatta, how are you? I'm doing great. You doing okay?
I'm doing good, thank you. Is that everything?
Yes, ma'am.
1068.
I didn't study for this test, so thank you, Ms. Kenyatta. I appreciate it. You have a great day. Right. Man. So, hey, if y'all want to get beat up in line, jump in front of an old lady. Man, this lady was she was about to get get behind me, but she didn't see the other lady stand behind me. And she was like, I'm sorry, we've been here for a long time. You have to stand there. I'm like, okay. All right, lady. Preferred parking. I need some winter flowers. I need some winter color. So we are back, headed back to the house. So I can fix the toilet before I get in trouble. Because Juice said, fix the toilet before I get in trouble. So, all right, guys, I got one more stop to make. I got everything. I got what I needed from Lowe's. Now I'm about to head to. I got another pit stop to make. Then I'll be off at the house. But it is getting kind of cool out here. This weather can't make up its mind, man. It's either hot, well, not hot, but it's either warm or it's cold. So I'm gonna do a video on winter gear and what can I talk? I'm gonna do a video on winter gear and how I dress for the cold. Dress for the cold, dress for the winter. Colder temperatures, if you would. So y'all hang on, be on the lookout for that. Also, if you think you like the page, subscribe to the page. But subscribe to the page and find out, or tell a friend. Tell a friend that you know this guy that does views on tubes, that rides every day and rides year round, and he's got a pretty decent personality. He's a nice guy. He smiles when he's happy, and just let people know what you think about the videos. Like I said, I gotta go to PetSmart something, then I'll be on the way back to the house. PetSmart over here don't have preferred parking, but there's always somewhere to park up front. So they have preferred parking, but it's not that good. So I'll just use one of these regular parking spaces, like a regular person, I guess, in a car. Let's go in PetSmart. Oh my goodness. Hello, how are you? Great. Put my mask on. That view is sideways because I'm using my phone, not my GoPro. So I gotta go. So I gotta go do this return right quick, and then I'll be on the way. Oh shoot! Then I'll be on the way. Hello. How are you? I'm great. I want to return that, please.
Do you have your receipt?
It's in the bag. I'm sorry. That's the wrong thing. That's the you guys don't
We don't
return.
sell this here.
You guys don't return toilets though.
No.
It's on my bike. I'll be right back.
Okay.
No, what a blooper. So how you doing? So I just tried to return my toilet thingamajig at the wrong store, at PetSmart. Where they do that at? Oh man, I don't wait in line. So this is what I need. How you doing? I'm great. So now I got the right thing. All right, let's try that again. So we got that taken care of. And like I said, it's getting kind of chilly out here. So motorcycles have layers. Motorcyclists have layers. Motorcycle riders have layers. You just got to keep them layers with you, so you can put them layers on and use them layers. All right, so let's get on to the house. Busy out here on a Thursday evening. So it's almost the weekend, guys. Won't back you up here. Guys, again, I really appreciate you guys watching my views on twos. We're trying to get that content out there. Hope you guys like it. Hope you guys like it. Hope you're enjoying it. Got any questions, comment? Anything you might want to help me out on? And no, you can't help me out of my parking because I'm going to park there. I'm going to use the preferred parking. So, this is a crazy intersection sometimes.